Sister, so you cannot walk, right? Cannot walk. Don't worry, I'm going to pray for you. You will walk. Don't be afraid, right? Jesus, I thank you for your daughter. Have mercy. Jesus, be merciful. Let your mercy speak. The mighty name of Jesus Christ be removed. The name of Jesus. So practice what you find it difficult to do. Just stretch the hand gradually. Go ahead. You see that you can walk now.
Hear the rain is falling down. I'm not afraid.